Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Camry. This is the one with the V6. If you guys can see here, 2GR FE. I'll show you guys how to change the engine air filter. The engine air filter is going to be on that side, above the battery. This is the battery. Driver's side, right here. This is the driver's side. Battery box. Right here. You got 3 clips. One here. 2 here. The third one's back here. By the brake booster. That's it. Once you unclip these 3 hooks from the box, the top cover, you can remove the mass airflow sensor if you want to, but you can't just lift up. It's not that simple. Back here, you have these 2 hooks. You'll have to lift up. It's locked. Lift up like this. Kind of push that way. Push the box that way. And lift up because it's going to unhook the box. So kind of like that. Then lift up like that. See it? Once you do that, then your filter comes out. Pull out your filter. I'm doing this with one hand, so you guys can do this with one hand. Right there. That's your filter. When you're changing a filter, you want to make sure it goes in the proper way. It doesn't go this way, or that way. You know, just look at the line. This line here. The line's facing down. The sharp or the shortest part is facing the driver. Right there. That way. Then this part right here, you guys can see this part right here. It sits on the lip of the box. So if you guys lift up, there's a lip right here. It sits along this edge right here. Put your new filter in. The new filter is in. You can't just hook these latch. It will not work like that. There's those 2 clips back there. Once again, you have to push that way. It should drop. Then these 3 latches will fall in place and you can hook it up, connect them. I'll show you guys in a second how to connect that back piece. Once you get the new filter in, this is the tricky part. This is the part that a lot of people is going to break or damage or forget or don't put back. Behind here, you got these 2 tabs, these 2 locking tabs. This side's already broken. Someone already broke it. But back here, you have this locking tab. I'm going to try to show you guys. What you got to do is you got to pick up on the box. Pick up. Lift up over. See how it slides? And hook it in. It should drop like that. Once it drops, then you can come back and close your box. Your box should sit perfect. Like that, nice and square. And these hooks, they just fall in place like that. If these hooks are not gentle and they're tight, something's not lined up right. You want to line up your clips and you line up your box correctly. The key is these 2 clips back here. Once you line those up and it drops in, everything should fall in place. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Be safe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.